Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to change the name in Google Classroom. So let's begin our video. So at first you need to open your classroom like that. Then you need to click on the top left corner 3-line menu bar icon, and then you can see option settings. You can see, just select this. Now you can see option change name, select it. Then what should you do? You just need to go on the personal info. Now we scroll down and you can see option name, select it. Now you need to change the first name and last name. I changed the first name, I changed the last name. Now you need to save it. After save it, you can change your Google Classroom name very easily, and in this way you can change the Google Classroom name. Hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.